Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Melly and in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm doing a vegan cream cheese based on cashews. This recipe is like all my recipes, gluten-free and vegan, free of refined sugar, corn and soy. In the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can turn this cream cheese into another kind of flavor and use it for a lot of different vegan dishes. If you don't want to miss it, stay with me until the end. And before we start, let me remind you that you will find all the ingredients for this recipe linked below in the description box. And now, let's get started. For our vegan cream cheese, we soak our cashews overnight until they are very soft. We rinse them well, sift them and put them in our food processor. We add some salt, some lemon juice and blend them. To reach the right consistency, you'll probably have to add some oats cream. Once it's nice and creamy, you can add any kind of ingredients and turn it easily into any kind of flavor. Chives fit very well with cheddar or steamed potatoes as a dairy-free substitute for sour cream. Use any kind of fresh herbs to turn this cream cheese into a dip or spice it up with fresh garlic for Spanish aioli. If you like a cheesy flavor, just add some nutritional yeast. You can use this one for pizza. I'll give you the link for my vegan pizza recipes at the top right. If you mix this cream cheese with oven-baked red bell peppers, you can get a Mediterranean bread spread. I have this recipe on my channel and I'll link it for you below this video in the description box. Click on the playlist right here on the top right if you need inspiration for baking your own vegan and gluten-free sourdough bread. If you're interested in more vegan recipes, I recommend you my playlist Gluten-Free and Sweet right here on the top left. For not missing any of my new videos, click on my photo just down here and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. See you in my next video.